In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to show or hide the canvas boundary on your GIMP application. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up GIMP and select the Edit button up at the top, and then go down and select Preferences. On the left side, you want to go underneath where it says Image Windows and select Appearance. And there should be a button that says Show Canvas Boundary. Either check mark or uncheck that depending on your preference, and do it for the full screen mode option down here as well. And then select OK to save, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.